What are the possible reasons for Ring offline problem?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about an issue many Ring device users might have encountered: your Ring device going offline. Don't worry, it's a common issue and can be caused by a variety of reasons, but most importantly, it can be fixed. We'll walk you through the most common causes and their solutions.
What does offline mean for my Ring device?
When your Ring device is offline, it's not able to connect to the Ring servers. This means it can't send notifications to your smartphone, and you won't be able to use the app to view live video feeds or recorded events.
What could cause my Ring device to go offline?
There are several possible reasons why your Ring device may be offline. Here are the most common ones. 1. Wi-Fi connection issues. By far, the most common reason is an issue with your Wi-Fi connection. This could be due to network congestion. Too many devices on your home network can lead to connectivity issues. Range issues. If your Ring device is too far from your Wi-Fi router, it may have difficulty maintaining a connection. Wi-Fi signal interference. Other devices or materials in your home can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Router or modem problems. Issues with your router or modem can disrupt the connection. 2. Power issues. Your Ring device might also be offline because of a power issue, such as battery problems. If your Ring device operates on batteries, it may be offline because the batteries are dead or dying. Electrical problems. For hardwired Ring devices, check for any potential power supply issues. 3. Software updates. Sometimes, your Ring device might go offline due to a software update. While updates are designed to improve the device, they can occasionally cause temporary connectivity issues.
How can I fix my offline Ring device?
The solution to fixing your offline Ring device depends on the underlying cause. For Wi-Fi connection issues, you might need to reset your router or move your Ring device closer to it. Alternatively, reducing the number of devices on your network or eliminating signal interference might solve the problem. For power issues, you'll want to check your device's power supply. If it's battery-powered, try replacing the batteries. If it's hardwired, you may need to check your home's electrical system. For issues related to software updates, generally, you just need to wait for the update to finish. However, if the problem persists, you might need to reset or restart your device. In conclusion, there are various reasons why your Ring device could be offline. However, most of them are easily remedied. If none of the steps we've outlined here help, you may want to consider reaching out to Ring's customer service for more assistance. Remember, it's crucial to keep your device online to maintain the security of your home. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.